Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
Next, we're going to talk about the end screen. It always seemed like it was very time consuming, but there's a new feature. It's an old feature that came back again through TubeBuddy. If you have TubeBuddy, that helps you make it more streamlined by creating templates. An end screen is the last 20 seconds of your video, and you have the opportunity to choose your next video from this video. So if you're doing anything sequentially, you want to put those videos right here. And you can put up to 4 what they call elements. One element you'd like it, this is an element right here. You can use it as your subscribe. That's my subscribe element. And then you could put up to 3 videos, but they don't all have to be videos. Let me show you what that looks like. It could be your most recent upload. It could be what's best for the viewer, and it could be whatever you want to choose for them. But guess what? You also get to choose if you want it to be a playlist and if you want it to be a link to another channel. I like to put up to 3, sometimes 4, depending, because you have to watch this area behind them. If they're playing at the last 20 seconds and it's covering something important. Now, if I've been talking as a talking head for the entire time, I'm not going to worry about one of these things being covering my head. But if I'm pointing out to things that I'm sharing and it covers up, then I do this. I shorten this. So this is the whole 20-second range for each particular element. And let's say I want to keep this corner empty because I've got something there on a board or on a PowerPoint or something like that. I can go all the way down to 5 seconds on this, I think it is. And if I wanted to go all the way to be the 20-second, I could pull it all here. And each one could be different. You could actually have it where it's layered, where it comes on one, then another, then another. So you can go a little short also. So if there's something that comes on at the end of the video, you can make it a little shorter so that it's right there in the middle. But it's all happening within 20 seconds. Now, there's something really important to know about this, because if you're using Canva, Canva has end screen capability. If you go and you type in end screen, or even better yet, if you type in animated end screen, you'll get a preset end screen where you could customize and put your thanks for being here, or put a URL there, or put the positions of the videos in certain places. You can do that, and it's really cool. And that doesn't take away from this. You could add it onto the end of your video, the end screen. And my advice is make sure you do not add the end screen to be longer than 20 seconds, or it's going to be a blank end screen there, because the end screens don't come up any sooner than 20 seconds before the end. So that's an important thing. And like I said, you'll figure out what elements you want to put there, what's next. So sometimes I put in my welcome page, because it's very important that people who saw this somewhere else on some other platform, that they know that what I'm about, and they may not know how to get to me. They may not know anything about me, but that welcome, which we call a trailer, that's important that I put it out there on anything I can. So anybody who's just visiting me from Instagram or LinkedIn and they see my video, they know they can go back and find out more about me and my channel. So here you can see where it started 20 seconds, and all of a sudden things start popping up as their time is set. Okay. And try it all different ways so you can decide, did it cover anything or not? Now, here's the good part. You can apply a template, but first you want to create one. So let's say I like the way this looks. I like the way it works out. I like the timing. It's pretty much the way all my videos go. Then I can go here and I can click this, and it pops up an opportunity for a template. So what if I say this is my 3-element with a welcome page template? I can name it whatever it is so I recognize it. Or it could be the template I use for training, or the template I use for podcasts, whatever you think you need to see for it to resonate with you when you see it. Okay, I'm not going to save this one because I already have them, and I already actually have this set up, but I can click apply a template, and then it gives me all the templates I have, and I get to decide which one I want to apply. That's really cool, because now something where you had to go looking, and I'm going to show you, if you don't have a template, at least the first one, what you need to do is to decide what time it's coming on in that 20-second range, what you're going to put there, which video or playlist or subscribe button, and you're going to have to do some time and thought into it. Once you save it as a template, it's going to take 1 second to just say, here, put that on, and then you save it and get out. That's one of the pieces of free real estate that I always talk about. This is your opportunity to showcase something on your channel. Doesn't cost you anything, but if you don't use it, you might lose somebody who does look at those and who does click. I'm a clicker. If there's things that pop up, I don't know if anybody watches like Saturday Night Live. I see the monologue of Saturday Night Live, and then it'll pop up several videos of what else was that episode. That it's working. Whatever they're doing is getting me to pop onto the next one by giving a good description of that video. And it's got a good thumbnail that makes me see who's in it, and I click. So do you want people to click? What we're trying to do is keep you bingeable. So using playlists that we talked about, using end screens and info cards, keep you bingeable because it keeps enticing people. You are trying to romance them to stay on your channel because that makes YouTube happy and they start sharing about you. And it also makes people stay on your channel, which helps you make money in the long run from watch time hours, advertisers, or just them staying there and getting to know you and falling in love with you.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.